Hello and welcome to Apply EBP's YouTube channel. We're so glad you're here. In today's video, we are excited to share with you the top 3 strategies that will enhance the legibility of your students' handwriting. Over the years, extensive research has pointed out what works and what does not. The top 3 most effective strategies include handwriting practice, cognitive strategies, and motor learning strategies. Since there's a ton to cover, we've split them into 2 videos. In this segment, we're tackling the first 2 strategies. Let's get into it. Strategy 1. Handwriting practice. Similar to honing other classroom skills such as reading and math, students should be explicitly instructed and provided with opportunities to practice handwriting. Regular practice is key to improving handwriting. Integrate handwriting into your students' school routine, even if it's just for a few minutes a couple of days each week. It will make a noticeable difference. And the good news is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to the explicit teaching of handwriting. Numerous off-the-shelf handwriting curricula have already shown to be effective in improving legibility. Team up with your school's OT practitioner to select a handwriting curriculum that's best for your students. Many handwriting curricula are straightforward and designed to be effortlessly implemented by classroom teachers without requiring the constant presence of an OT for handwriting practice. Many include handbooks or writing forms that you hand out to your students to make handwriting practice a breeze. But if you need help, do not hesitate to reach out to your school OT practitioner. They are well equipped to offer support and suggestions as you roll out a handwriting curriculum for your entire class or school. Strategy 2. Cognitive strategies. Cognitive strategies empower your students to independently monitor and enhance their own handwriting skills. While many handwriting curricula already incorporate cognitive strategies, here are 3 additional suggestions that you can implement with minimal effort for maximum benefit. Suggestion 1. Encourage self-evaluation or self-feedback to promote internalization and recall. For instance, after students complete their written assignments, have them circle the 3 most legible words in their writing. Prompt them to reflect on how these words are similar or different from the rest of their writing. Or ask them to identify letters that were incorrectly formed and brainstorm ways to improve the formation. If spacing poses a challenge, have students review their work, providing them with an opportunity to mark where spaces were missed. For those struggling with writing on the line, you can ask them to identify words that are off the line and encourage them to improve their placement. This approach actively engages students in refining their handwritten work. Suggestion 2. Make improving handwriting a team activity. Foster a collaborative learning environment by allowing students to support and learn from each other. Pair them up and task them to evaluate and provide feedback on each other's work, using the same approach as mentioned earlier. They can identify the 3 most legible words, suggest improvements for letter formations, address spacing, and so on. Suggestion 3. Empower students to teach others what they have learned. Once they've mastered writing a letter or a word, invite them to teach their partner, a small group, or the entire class how to write that specific letter or word. This not only helps them internalize their own handwriting strategies, but also boosts their self-confidence and self-esteem. All right, it's your turn to put these strategies into action. Give them a try with your students and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Master these 2 strategies and get ready for even more great tips coming your way in part 2 of this series. Feel free to print and share Apply EBP's top 3 evidence-supported handwriting interventions infographic. Click the link in the description below for easy access. For an in-depth exploration of evidence-based assessment and interventions, join Apply EBP's expert series on assessing and addressing handwriting challenges. Don't forget to subscribe to the Apply EBP channel and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Your support means the world to us, so spread the love by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your awesome colleagues. Thank you for tuning in.